get some maybe on your way in. I actually responded to her and I said, at least you've remembered to put the cup underneath the coffee maker. I've done that before, and you hear the coffee going all over the kitchen floor. But,
oh, mercy.
We've had it pretty easy so far here this season in our area as far as winter weather goes. Not a whole lot of snow and not a whole lot of bitterly cold weather. In fact, you'll hear the term polar vortex, and you'll see to our north out across parts of the Arctic Circle there, and temperatures are even well below zero up into northern Canada. Of course, that is the Arctic. That's where we expect it. But a lot of that cold air has been trapped up there. At times, we'll see little branches of the polar vortex work its way to the south. We're going to see one of those tomorrow, but it's not real extreme. And I'll tell you, Dave, it's just not going to be that bad for this time of year. So if you see those buzzwords going around, this time around, it's really not going to be too much for our region. Live view right outside our studio doors this morning. Actually, a pretty nice sunrise looking back into the eastern sky. We've got some high, thin clouds working their way in from the west and northwest. Another mild day today. The cold front does not arrive into our region until tonight, so enjoy it. It is going to be a little breezy, and we're not going to see a whole lot of sunshine, but looking ahead to Friday, well, we're returning right back to winter. In fact, it's like Mother Nature is going to switch on winter once again as we head into Friday afternoon. Some snow showers a possibility, and maybe even some minor accumulations, and the weekend looking like a very January weekend with cloudy skies and colder temperatures. Right now, though, not too bad outside. Temperatures into the mid to upper 30s, a few spots running about 40 degrees or so compared to the last couple of mornings, at least. A little bit warmer out there to begin our day. There's the cold front to our west. A couple of little rain showers there developing along the front back into central Missouri, northeast Missouri, west central Illinois right now. We do expect a few of those showers to work their way in later on this afternoon as that cold front does arrive into our region. Out ahead of the front, upper 40s and lower 50s today. Here comes those showers later on this evening. Not a big rainmaker for us. And then behind the cold front tomorrow morning, waking up a couple degrees cooler than today. But here we go into Friday afternoon. Temperatures only running into the 30s, and notice that blue showing up. Those are some snow showers developing, and there's a chance we could get some heavier bursts of snow out of some of these showers. It may only last about 5 or 10 minutes, but then it actually may accumulate on some of the grassy surfaces and possibly even an isolated slick spot or two. Most areas going to pick up an inch or less, and the main impacts will be on some of the grass, but won't be surprised if Friday afternoon, Friday evening, we do end up with some minor accumulations of some snow, heavier snow to our west and to our north out across central Missouri and all the way up into the upper Midwest. Now check this out. They've got blizzard warnings posted up through Minnesota, Iowa, and all the way into northwest Missouri. So if you're looking for some big time winter weather, keep heading to the north and you'll find it. They are expecting strong winds and a lot of snow up in some of those areas. 51 degrees around here though this afternoon. Not a very winter-like afternoon. Winds will be out of the south. Could see some gusts up to about 30 miles per hour. So it will be windier than what it has been over the last few days. For tonight, there's that chance for some showers coming in about 5, 6 o'clock as the cold front moves through, and then temperatures falling through the lower 30s, actually dropping back to about 30 or 31 degrees tomorrow morning. Snow showers in the forecast for Friday. I keep upping this chance a little more as it looks more and more likely we're going to be seeing quite a few of these snow showers Friday afternoon. Saturday and Sunday, cloudy skies, some snow flurries possible, and then Monday, temperatures bouncing back in the lower 40s. Another chance for some rain showers. Looks like a low chance at this point on Tuesday. Temperatures bouncing back though into the mid 40s, and we're going to hang out there on Wednesday and Thursday. And another cool down towards the end of next week, but still, Dave, nothing extreme